Welcome back again to the business law course in topic intellectual property law, and our specific discussion is still copyright, and this part we will discuss about related right. Related right is another kind of right that protected and governed in copyright law number 28 2014. You could find many part in the law talking about the related right. Philosophically, the existence of related right is to give incentive and appreciation for related parties who already spend their money, their energy to publish and to make the creation that protected by the copyright recognized by people, by the society. For example, if I were a songwriter, then I produce my song, and the song is loved by people, so I am the copyright holder and the author of the song. Well, then one of a television station contact me because they have a music program and they want me to present in the program. So they invite me and I play my song in their program. So they broadcast it, they aired it. Well, then now people could hear me singing, and then I get money for singing in the program. So now the television already pay me, already spend their energy, their time to make people hear my song. So there should be incentive for this institution. It's called related right, which means that if any other party want to rebroadcast or aired it again, so they have to asking for the permission for the TV station. On the other word, they have to pay it. They have to get the license to air the program by the broadcasting organization. Or if you remembering, sometimes you watch a program that was aired in one TV station, and then some years later you watch it in another TV station. So it's also related to the related right, that the second TV station who rebroadcast the program of the first station, of course they have to gain license. To get license, usually they have to pay some license. The last time I remember in Indonesian television is the comedy program Suami Takut Istri. If I'm not mistaken, I saw it a few weeks or a few months ago in Global TV or something like that. But I remember that previously it was aired by another television station. So the first station owned the related right of the program, while the second one, they have to get the license to re-air the second one. So in the definition, you could also see that the related right is given to three parties. The first one is the performer, or also if you are a performer, you have the related right. For example, if you watch a play, a drama, in Indonesia we call it drama. So the drama is a creation that protected by a copyright. So when someone make a play, become the creator of the play, let's say in a certain convention hall there is a play, so the one who create the play is the copyright holder of the play. But then of course there are many people involved in the play, so they are called performers. So if the play is recorded in this form of compact disc, for example, and then it's sold, and if anybody buy it, then there should be some share for the performers here. It could also imply in situation of song, that the songwriter is the copyright holder, but the singer is the performer. So if the performers, let's say that they also make some videos of it, they also have a kind of right called the performer's right, as well as the producer of the phonogram. The producer of the phonogram here, in a simpler word, we call it as the producer of sounds, or something that related to the sounds recording, like the music producer, for example. So the music producer, they have the related right of the music that they produce. And the third one is the broadcasting organization, could be including the television and the radio. So if they have the program, they create some e-word to aid a copyright, so they have the related right. So copyright and related right is very close, but the existence of related right could only happen if there is a creation that protected by the copyright, while at the other side, the existence of copyright doesn't require any related right. So the copyright exists, then the related right could be exist, but sometimes the copyright doesn't always bring a related right. Let's say that I write a song, then if it's never been aired by everybody else, or never been produced by everybody else, so it's all by myself, so there is no related right of this creation. It's all on me. It's only on the form of copyright. And also if the song is performed by me, so there is no performers here. So the related right is always exists because there is a creation that protected by the copyright, but the existence of copyright is not always followed by a related right. In related right, there is also the moral right and economic right, and for that part I suggest you to learn about it independently, or if you want to know further, you could join my class in intellectual property law course in law school. Well, in conclusion, related right is a right that exists because there is a creation that protected by a copyright. So this right is to give incentive and appreciation to the party that published a creation that protected by a copyright, and for those who own the related right, they could get the economic right as well when people want to use or replay their program that shows the creation that protected by the copyright. So that is the end of the copyright discussion, but believe me, it's not even 10% of the whole part or the whole main idea of copyright, because we have not enough time for that. So I suggest you, if you want to know better, read the regulation independently by yourself. And also you could join another online class that focus on intellectual property, because actually in this course intellectual property is only one of the topic, not the course. Or you can read my book or the other book related to it, as well as discuss with me or another expert that you know. And there are so many other part that I think is the main idea of copyright. You need to read also about the duration of the protection, because different types of copyright has different duration of the protection. And also you need to know how the process of registering your copyright, and also you have to know about the settlement, what if someone is violating your copyright. And also you need to know about plagiarism. In the class session I could play you some example to identify it, but due to this limitation of system, I couldn't show you it. Hopefully you could find it in internet on another resources, because in this course I just give you the brief and the main idea of each topic. So this is the closing of the copyright. After this we will continue with another one about patent. Thank you.